pack your
Gift.
Christmas gift. You're supposed to open later, but later means you cannot use now. Okay, you open
I
first.
saw pink color. This should be the ear, right?
What is that?
It's the ear.
For what?
I don't know.
Yeah, this is a kitty ear for Razer Kraken. This is your pink color Kraken.
What's Kraken?
Kraken is the name for the headphone lah.
耶，我的跟阿姐一样的呀。
一样的咩? Careful leh.
Why got two one?
This is the extension. So those play in
Oh,
PC.
PC because
This
very,
PC very long
very
ma.
far away.
So yeah.
But they never give the iPhone converter, oh.
Of course not lah. That one is for iPhone. So it's normal 3mm. It's a normal 3mm hit. Then with this is the volume button on. This is the volume.
Oh, put away.
This is the mute, I think.
Oh.
This is the mute. This is the volume. How to put it?
Just like I did already, but I saw the other side.
This is a microphone. You can.
Oh, but what's this side on? Not this side, eh?
I don't know.
The where's top mic is on the side, one.
Microphone can push in and take out one.
Yeah.
Then you can move it.
Okay, don't show my face.
Can then how to shoot? Then shoot from the head lah. Don't see your face lah. Okay, this one.
Right, that one, right?
Okay, very flexible lah. Normally they put a little bit out one so that it's not so
Loud.
loud.
No,
Then
but the mic
this thing
can
can,
adjust one.
then this one got noise cancelling one. Means the outside noise can only hear your voice only. Go play already. Overcooling gel ear cushions. Nice. What else does it have? Aluminium frame, thick padding, 50mm drivers, retractable microphone, EYEWEAR channel. Oh, means you can wear spec also when you play. You wear spec, you won't feel very pain because this one very soft.
Then why people want to buy this stupid ear?
You won't buy.
Why people want to buy this stupid ear?
Just keep quiet. Then this one, it got cooling gel inside. You won't feel hot after a while. After long periods of play. Not bad, the packaging also. Let's see what else is inside the box. This is a manual or message. This is the CEO's message. Okay. And I think this is the manual. Actually, I don't think you need a manual. Yeah. It's just plug and play. So that's it. I think that's all for the unboxing of Razer Kraken Quartz. Quartz is actually pink, and it's actually called a multi-platform wired gaming headset. Well, I think that means it can be used for anything, yeah, which comes with a 3.5mm plug. Designed engineered by Razer in California. But I think it's made in China if I'm mistaken. I don't think it says anything here. Yeah, but in China. There you go.